Hey guys, it's Chris here again with Sammy, our board and trained 9-month-old Nova Scotian duck toller. And right now we're working on the place exercise where we have Sammy's favorite couch that was brought to us by his owners. And we've equipped him with his leash as well as a favorite toy slash bone. Now for the place command, it's a very handy command to use at home. We use it for, let's say, long extended periods of time where the dog is going to be out with us. Let's say we're watching a movie or I'm doing some reading. I want the dog out with me, but I just don't want the dog moving about all over the place. So I would usually bring out his cot, like I have one down here for Flex, or in this case, Sammy's little bed. And we teach them place. All it is simply we have the dog equipped with his leash. Sometimes we'll throw a piece of treat on the bed and lead the dog with the leash to the bed and say place at the same time. Once he's on the place, we'll reward him with another treat as he gets the first treat. We'll leave the leash on the dog. The reason being it is a form of control. So if, let's say, Sammy was to come off of the bed, all we have to do is say place, go and retrieve the leash, lead him back to the bed and bring him on. And what will happen is eventually now he'll understand, okay, it doesn't make sense to come off because eventually they'll be able to get me and bring me back to the bed. If you have him free of the leash, some dogs get smart. As soon as they come off and you go to get them, they run away and now it becomes a game. So there's less control. And with training, we always want to set up a controlled environment. Now, like I said, pardon me, like I said, I equipped him with a toy slash bone. As you can see, there's like a rawhide that he's chewing on. And that allows him to stay there for a fair amount of time because you can see he's busy with it. So it just makes it easier in the way of reinforcing the place command, getting him to hold position. And this is in our workshop down at the facility here. And so while I'm busy doing whatever in the way of my work, sometimes, I'll go back here and I'm gonna go and grab some supplies, whatnot. He's on his bed the whole time while I'm working. Or I'll come over to my work table and I'll do cutting, nailing, whatever it may be. And the whole time, as you see there, Sammy is on his place. So like I said, it's a really handy exercise to teach your dog. And it allows him to stay out with you for, like I said, extended periods of time. And the beauty of it, he's not just running around wildly. There are times when they do get a little excited and we'll use their X-Pan or the kennel or the crate to give them a little time out. But like I said, we don't always want to put them up in their containment area. We want them out with us. We just don't want all the hyperactivity. And so this is why we would teach the place command. And the beauty of the place command, the place itself can be located anywhere within the home. You could have it in the basement. You could eventually bring it upstairs in the living room on the upper level. So it doesn't have to be relegated to just one area. Once he learns what place means, you could actually move the bed wherever you want. You could even take it with you. So let's say you go to the cottage or you're visiting a relative, you're staying overnight, you bring his place bed with him. And you'll find that it'll work really well because it has his scent on it. It'll make him feel that much more comfortable when he's in a new environment. Sometimes even with kennels, if you're leaving your dog for boarding, such as here, it is an ideal situation. Right, Sammy? Look at that. Very nice. And he's doing really well. Like I said, this took no time at all. Literally, it took maybe 2 days to get him comfortable being in here under place as I was moving about, other people walking by, even other dogs. Rita would come by, grab her dog, take him out, and he would actually stay on the place. Now, provided he has that favorite toy, it just makes it that much easier. And when you're starting, I would suggest don't try and go for like 5-10 minutes. Start, the goal is, let's say, a few seconds, anywhere from 10 to 20 seconds. And then eventually you're going to build upon that until eventually now you get 5 minutes and then 10 minutes and so forth. It's better to, start small and work your way up as opposed to trying to get them to do a great length of time too soon. Right, buddy? With that said, that's it for the place command. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel, and you might want to check out my new book, Instinct to Excellence. It'll give you more insight in the way of training and equipment and the whole psychology behind dog training. With that, guys, take care.